KOENG's brake disc and drum lathe. Because KOENG's brake disc and drum lathe resurfaces deformed discs, users can save costs on purchasing parts and also help save the environment. It comes in a modern and compact design, and its casting body system allows accurate lathing. It is also highly compatible, so it can lathe any car model part. It is available at a competitive price and boasts a fast lathing time. Attach the deformed disc on the lathe. Use a zero-point adjusting device to accurately adjust the lathing level. Attach the adapter to reduce noise and prevent scattering of metal dust. Adjust the lathing speed, then select disc or drum option. Start automatic lathing. Internalized automatic stop function will stop lathing automatically when lathing is complete. When lathing a deformed disc, replace the lathe section with a disc adapter. And select Drum option on the control panel.